it's Awesome DIYs, and today I'm going to be making squishies, and I'm so excited about this. I'm literally so excited to make squishies because I've been wanting to do this for so long. So I finally get to do it. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need some of these sponges. I'm using these sponges. And then you're gonna need some Model Magic. You also are gonna need paint, but that's later. So yeah. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing you have to do is obviously cut open these. I'm not gonna cut the sponges. I don't want to cut the sponges. I don't think I'm gonna make three squishies, but I think I might make one. I don't know. I think I might make one on camera and then one just. There's a sponge, and it's really like perfectly cut, so it's fine. It's not squishy at all, but we're gonna make it squishy. So you're gonna take your Model Magic, cut it open, obviously. Okay. This is, if you don't know what Model Magic is, it is basically an air dry clay, but it dries squishy, so we're using this. It's really squishy. I really like it. Okay. Anyway, so you're gonna take a little bit clay, and basically what you want to do is you just want to keep wrapping it around the sponge. This will make a layer that will be soft rising, or slow rising. What am I saying? And it will make it like, because when it dries, it'll be soft and squishy still. So it'll be and when it covers the sponge, it will also be very squishy. So I just gotta press this together. And I'm gonna do a thick layer. I'm gonna do a thick layer because I don't wanna, I just don't wanna, I don't wanna risk having a hole in this. So I'm gonna do more layers. Here, I'm gonna get a rolling pin. I'll be just a second. You'll hear some stuff in the background. I'm trying to look for a rolling pin. I know my mom has one. Just trying to figure out where the found it. Oh, the rolling pin. Okay, got a rolling pin, so now I have something to roll with. I think we're gonna need more than this, to be honest. Add a little bit more, just here. I need to make this more round-ish, so, because I want to make it, also I want to make it more wide too. This might be too much though. If it is, that's okay. Okay, so we got this. Okay, let's put this here and let's wrap it. Okay, we're just wrapping this around. Sorry about the background noises. Just wrapping this. This I think is gonna be just white. Not quite sure what this is going to be. It's gonna be cute though. And here. And oh, sorry if it's a little bit off camera. You're just gonna keep wrapping it until you have it smooth enough. So I'm gonna smooth it out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this looks smooth enough for me. It's just the right. Oh, okay. I think it has to be thicker right here because I can see some spots there. Let me just put a little bit of clay right there. Let me smooth it out. If you need water, you can always use it. Just get some water and then smooth it out. Like I'm smoothing out this side. Because you don't want any holes, obviously. Because if there are holes in it, then it would just break, right? Oh, darn it. Okay, so this is really thick, but this is really thin. So I'm going to do another layer. Just take some of this clay. Okay, so move this aside. And then I'm going to roll this out. Remove this. Remove this. Okay, but I'm also going to roll it out this way too. Oops. Okay, that's good enough for me. And then we take this. It's not going around all the way. That is okay, because it's really already thick up here. So that's all I need basically. Oh, I need to cover that side. Okay, so it's really thick, which is good. I'm gonna smooth it out. So here's what it looks like. It's really cute. Okay, so now I have to let this sit for 1 day. So I'm gonna let that sit for about 1 day and I'll be back. So guys, it's been about 1 day and you're wondering like, how did I get this face on here? It is so adorable. Okay, so basically what I did is I just drew a face on. With Sharpie, I drew these 2 ears. I went and did the face too because I was really bored and I had nothing to do. So I did the face, and so here is one eye and here's another eye and here is the blush marks and then the mouth and then the tongue. It's really cute. I personally really like this squishy. It is totally fab. Look how squishy this is. Ah! It's like so squishy. And it's so rising too. It's really nice. I love this squishy so much. I get a total fab. Sorry about that. I give it a total fab. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what I should do next. And subscribe to Awesome DIYs. Thanks. Bye. Okay, honestly, I just had to show this. My dog is so cute. I saw him from over there, and I just saw him, and I was like, oh my gosh, he's adorable. All right, that's it. Bye.